Well, hey folks, I thought I'd take you around and show you what I've got for the birds out here exactly. So here's my current fountain I keep out here for the birds. I used to have a much bigger one out here, but this one seems, I had a full-size wine barrel I used to use with a pump on it, like a old-fashioned hand pump, well pump, and it developed a leak after several years. You can see I ran power for it out here. I put all that in, so I have power for my fountain here. I just let it run 24 hours. And I do have a drip line going into it. So when the drip system comes on, it fills it up. So that right there is a huge attractant for birds, having a water source. And then here's my dish here on top of this stake. And I don't think the ravens have been here today, but I do keep peanuts, and I think the wife put some blackberries. We put various things in there. But this here is the raven dish, and they eat out of that. I have this little ball feeder here I picked up at the Goodwill. I just fill that with black sunflower oil seeds, and they get them out of there. They eat them, as you can see by the mess down below there. And then right here, I put this here for the squirrels, but I have not seen the squirrels this year or any other birds that, well, I guess something might have been pecking at the corn a little. Keep that there. I've got a wildlife trail cam up there. And then right here I have another feeder. Has different mesh sizes, so black oil sunflower seeds on one side and thistle seed on the other. I just filled them all up, and I totally forgot this one, but I usually fill this one up with as you can see, the black oil sunflower seeds. You can see all the mess they make, but they really like it. And then right over here I have another one full of thistle seed. This stuff's pretty expensive nowadays. And this one I just keep some mealworms in it, and I did go ahead and put some black oil seeds in there. Maybe it'll attract something else. And then over here I have this one here. I think I may have got this one. I may have bought it brand new. I may have got it at the Goodwill. I really don't remember. But I fill that one up sometimes with black oil sunflower seeds, and sometimes I use shelled sunflower seeds. And then over here, here's Bird Village. I've shown this quite a few times. The grass plants have kind of taken over at this time of year, but that's good. It gives the birds some privacy, some shelter. And they do make nests in there. You can probably see in there's a nest in there. And there's one in that one there too. There's some more birdhouses behind the grass plants. And as a bonus, here's the fish in the half wine barrel. We just, myself and my son just cleaned it all out, filtered it all out. And we actually put a brand new pump and a UV a sanitizer in there to keep everything nice and clean, hopefully keep the algae out of it. There's about 20 something fish in there. They've been in there for over 2 years now. I do put hummingbird feeders out. I need to pull them down, clean them, and refill them. I do put little various birdhouses out. They usually like these kind. One has not moved into this one yet. And in this tree here, I put one of those style in there too. They seem to like the ceramic round ones. And that feeder there used to be for the woodpeckers that came, but I don't see them coming around anymore. I don't know what happened to the woodpeckers. Here's another hummingbird feeder here by the house. And I have another one right up here in the tree, in the cherry tree. And this is a favorite. The bird's not in there right now. This seems to be their absolute favorite birdhouse year after year. You can see the nest they made in there. They haven't really used these yet. I bought some of these natural ones, but spiders just seem to use those. But I keep a few different ones out around the yard. I guess they're little house sparrows. They make nest in here in the climbing rose bush here on the trellis. I believe they have a nest up here inside because if I walk through here at night, I'll startle them. But they build them on either side depending on the year. So I know that's a nesting location for them right there. And the birds have never really used these. I guess they're just more decorative. They have not used any of those as of yet. And then I have a couple on the fence there. You can see I have one there. I have another one over there behind the peach tree. I have another one right there as well, just in case they want to use them. And then also here the cherry tree, it provides a lot of food for the birds this time of year. They're up there pecking them and eating them. I do have a seed cake here. I put this up for the woodpeckers, but like I said, they haven't returned. So anyways, folks, that's kind of what we do out here for the birds, to attract them and to feed them and all that kind of stuff. And it seems to be working pretty well. Anyways, folks, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll catch you next time here from Northwest Nevada.